Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you in VS Code how to reset your all your settings to default settings. So if you have make accidentally some kind of a change and now it is creating some problem, now you can actually reset all settings. So there is an option right in VS Code. So if you open VS Code, simply you need to go to this manage option, and right here you need to click on this settings. Just open the settings, and you can even just type right here user settings. Just search for this, or what you can do, you can on Windows machine there is a shortcut key which is Control Shift P. So this will open this command panel, and right here you just need to search for this open user settings. So here all your user settings files are stored here inside a JSON file. So if you just open this, so you will see all your settings are stored inside this file right here, such as your key bindings, which theme you are using, which kind of shortcuts, all the extension settings are this one. So if you want to reset everything, what you can do is that you can copy this setting somewhere else. If you have some important settings right here, before deleting it, store it somewhere else, and after that simply delete everything and just make it. So you can see it is saying a setting has been changed that requires restart. So you just need to click this restart button. As soon as you do the restart, you will see all your settings have been resetted to the default value. You can see my settings have been, it created a new settings.json file where it has again this default setting. So this is the first way by which you can do this. And now there is a second way as well. If this doesn't work, or then there is a second option that you can follow. So just open your run menu inside start here, and just type this code that I will show you. This code is appearing on the screen. So just type star and then all capital letter app data, and then again percentage sign, and then slash. So it is appearing on this video, you can just see, and then slash code slash user, and again slash. So just enter everything and then enter it. So this will open the location where your VS Code settings files are stored. So you will see all these three files which will be there, which is for key bindings, which is your settings, this one VS Code settings. So these three JSON file, you just need to delete all these three files. Simply delete this from this location, and then again this is a second option by which you can reset all the settings. And also if there is a snippets folder, you have created custom snippets, you can even delete this folder as well. So this will reset to all the default settings. So this is a second option by which you can do the same process. If the first process that doesn't work, you can follow the second one. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and if your problem was solved, then please comment on this video as well. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.